Welcome to your Yoga Nidra relaxation recording. You can listen to this recording either lying on your back or in a comfortable chair, any position in which you are most comfortable. If you are sitting, make sure that you've got a support behind your back, that you can feel the soles of your feet on a supportive surface, and perhaps have a support behind your head. Ideally, your chin is parallel to the floor if you're sitting, and the gaze of your eyes should feel as if it can naturally drop downwards. If you're lying on the floor, you might have some extra support underneath your head to make sure that your gaze drops easily downwards in that position. And as you close your eyes, feel that you're resting them. Soften your eyes and the skin at the corners of your eyes. Let it smooth out. Turn the palms of your hands upwards, resting the backs of your hands comfortably. Begin to notice your breathing, allowing your breath to settle into its own smooth, unhurried rhythm. Follow each exhalation all the way to its end and allow a natural pause at the end of each exhalation. Don't be at all in a hurry to breathe in then. Rather, allow your body to breathe in as and when it wants to. You're allowing your breathing to become spontaneous and easeful. You may find that as you observe your breath in this way, it naturally starts to slow down, to smooth out. Take some time now to feel the supportive surface beneath your body and the feeling of your body softening onto that support. Letting go of any muscular holding and allowing your body to be supported by that surface. For a few moments now, notice sounds. All the sounds in your environment. Without analysing or even naming those sounds, just let your hearing drift from one to the next, including the distant sounds. Gradually draw your hearing inwards, closer and closer, toward the sound of your own breathing, which is perhaps just on the edge of your hearing. Drawing your hearing inwards into the internal sounds of the body and letting other sounds drift away into the distance now. Notice the temperature of the air on your skin, the weight of clothes and coverings on your skin. And now drawing your sense of touch inwards, becoming sensitive to the touch of breath within the body, feeling the touch of soft breath in the nose, the touch of soft breath through your relaxed throat. The feeling of the breath moving your chest, your rib cage. Notice any movement of your belly as your body breathes. And now at this time in the practice, it can be good to set a positive intention or to use a favourite affirmation that you find useful. If you have one, say it to yourself now mentally 3 times. If you're not sure of an intention, it could even just be a word that describes a feeling or quality that you'd like to have more of in your life or to rediscover within yourself. Feel that you effortlessly drop the word or words into your mind, just as you would drop a pebble into a pond, and watch it sink and settle. Now, with the whole body soft and at ease, you're going to be floating your awareness around the body from part to part, quite swiftly and lightly. There is no effort required at all. Simply listen to my voice and notice if you can feel each part of the body that I name. Some parts tend to be easy to feel and others more challenging. But however you experience this practice is absolutely perfect for this time. Begin by feeling your right hand thumb. Then feel the first finger of the right hand, your second finger, third finger, and little finger, the palm of your right hand, the back of your hand, your right wrist, forearm, elbow, your upper right arm, shoulder, your armpit, the right side of your torso, your right hip, thigh, knee, lower right leg, your ankle, the top of your foot, and sole of your foot. Feel your right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and little toe. Now feel the whole right side of your body, whole right side. And move your awareness over to the left side, starting with the left hand thumb. First finger of the left hand, your second finger, third finger, little finger, the palm of your left hand, the back of your hand, left wrist, forearm, elbow, upper left arm, your left shoulder, armpit, left side torso. Feel your left hip, your thigh, knee, lower left leg, your ankle, the top of your foot, the sole of your foot, your left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and little toe. Feel the whole left side of your body, whole left side. Now be aware of both heels, both calves, the backs of your knees, your back thighs, the buttocks, sacrum, your lower back. Feel into your middle back, your upper back. Feel the back of your neck, the back of your head. Let your awareness flow over the top of your head and into your forehead. Feel your right eyebrow, your left eyebrow, your right eye and eye socket, your left eye and eye socket. Feel the center space between your eyes, that soft center space. Feel your right ear, your left ear, your right cheek and left cheek, your right nostril and left nostril, the tip of your nose, your right nostril and left nostril, the bridge of your nose and nose tip. Feel your top lip, your bottom lip, your tongue resting at the base of your mouth. Feel your jaw line from the hinge of your jaw near your right ear, tracing your awareness along the jaw to the hinge of the jaw near your left ear, the whole jaw line. Feel the front of your throat, the base of your throat. Your collarbones. Feel your right side chest, your left side chest, the middle of your chest. Let your awareness float down to the solar plexus and into your soft belly. Be aware of your pelvis, your pelvic floor, your front hips, front thighs, kneecaps, shins, your front ankles, the tops of your feet, the soles of your feet. Feel the softness of the skin on the soles of your feet. Now feel the whole body from front to back, from left to right, from head to toes, feeling the whole body lying quiet and restful. Now begin to notice sensations in the body, starting with the sensation of heaviness. Is there anywhere in your body where you feel a heaviness? Deepen into the awareness of that heaviness, feeling as if your body could sink through the supports it's resting on. And then notice that you can simply switch your awareness quite effortlessly into feelings of lightness. Notice where your body feels light. Let that feeling of lightness grow and spread until you feel as if you were resting on a cushion of air, as if you could float. Now letting go of feelings of heaviness and lightness, notice the sensation of coolness in your body. Move your awareness into areas of the body that already feel cool, and let that sensation of coolness expand into feelings of cold. Just experiencing feelings of cold. Now, just as effortlessly, you can switch your awareness into feelings of warmth. Find a warmth in your body and let it grow, spreading throughout the body. Let it grow into a feeling of heat, as if you were lying in the sun on a summer's day, allowing the warmth of the sun to soak into your skin and warm your bones. Now let go of feelings of coolness and warmth, and notice that you've become the observer of different sensations in your body. And you're simply observing without judgment or reaction, simply feeling each sensation and then effortlessly letting it go. Observe now places in your body that may feel uncomfortable, simply noticing without reaction any feelings of discomfort in the body. Whether it's an ache or a small irritation, just observing. Now, just as effortlessly, You could switch your awareness to feelings of ease and comfort in your body. Notice where your body already feels completely at ease, completely restful, and let that awareness spread, growing throughout the body, noticing a sense of ease. As the observer, now notice what other sensations are present. You've simply opened up a space in which you observe sensations, feelings, and even thoughts can simply be observed without reaction. Let it all drift through, and then let it all float away, letting go. Leaving for now the observing of sensations, feelings, and thoughts. Recall your intention or your affirmation, your positive word or words that you used earlier. Repeating this to yourself 3 times again in your mind. And now leave that intention in the back of your mind and come back again to feeling beneath your body those supportive surfaces you chose to rest upon. Feel the softness of your body on those supportive surfaces. Begin to notice sounds again, letting the quiet sound of your own breathing mingle with the sounds in your environment. Notice the temperature of the air on your skin. Feel the weight of the clothes and the coverings on your skin. With your eyes still closed and restful, notice any shapes or colours you can detect on the other side of your eyelids. Have a memory of where you are in the room, your position in that space. Begin to find an easy, slow way of lengthening your inhalations. Imagine that your inhalations can flow all the way to your fingers and toes, right to the edges of your body, filling you with renewed energy. Allow these lengthened inhalations to leave you feeling refreshed, rested, and ready to transition back into your day. When you feel ready, start to move your fingers or your toes a little, or take a stretch if you prefer, starting to gently move in whatever way feels right. Gently blink your eyes open and let your breathing return to a natural, smooth, everyday rhythm as you move back into your day. Thank you for listening to the Yoga Nidra recording.